how to remove friends on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can remove your friends on Facebook. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to remove your friends on Facebook, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Facebook application here. Then once you launch the Facebook app, you're going to see this type of interface. So if you want to view your friends, then you can just come to your profile page and then just go to your friends section that you can see over here. So you can just go to find friends here. Once you go to the option called find friends, you should be able to see all of your friends over here in this case. Now basically, if you want to view your friends, tap the your friends option, and if you want to remove a specific person from your friend list, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and just tap the three dots next to that friend list and then just select the option called unfriend. It'll ask you for a confirmation to unfriend it, and then you'll be able to successfully unfriend that person. This is how you can remove friends on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.